Hey, what's up guys? Today welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to edit video on VN app popular 2020. So now we get started together. So now we can find VN. If you don't have, you have to go to download from the app store. Okay, now I can start open VN on my iPhone device. So now if you want to create a project, and then you go to the click on at the bottom, and you can see plus sign right here, and then you can see new projects, and then you open it. So now we can find the video that you want to edit. So now we have to find like okay, this one. Okay, now it's processing to create a video. Now we got it 35, 36. Now until to 100% get it done. So we have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, now we got it. So now if you see the video like that, you have to change the frame on the top right here, and you see the 16.9. Click right here, and now you have to change the video, or you want to flip. You want to flip the video. You want to make sure it's the full screen on your screen video. So now we find this for the flip video. So now we have flip right here. Okay, now we got it. We have to make sure play a little bit, and then if you want to add a song, or you want to edit video, or you want to add more color on your video, you find on the top. You find on the bottom. Then you find a filter right here, and you see right here, and then you see which one that you want, a storm or create, or you want to change the color on the video. So now you want a regular video, you want a gray, you want a ground, you want blue. Just okay, like this one, create it. Take it, and then you have to play a little bit. Okay, I make sure I explain to you about the app on your iPhone device for 2020. Very popular, because the VN app you don't have to pay for. Like, we don't have to pay for the rent the app, or have to pay for the monthly, because some another app you have to pay, because you need to remove on the watermarks on top, because we have to buy a license from the company they make this app. So the VN is the best popular app on the iOS device or Android. You can download both of them. Like the Android or iOS is very easy way how to create video on your iPhone device. So this is the best way. Basically, you can download on from the App Store. It's free. You don't have to pay every month. So don't forget to subscribe for my channel and hit the bell and open notification.